YouTube, what's happening? Penny LS1 back up in this joint. It's about to go down, y'all. I'm getting too many people hitting me up talking about, do I have videos of Project SS showing what she can do? This what's been holding me up. So y'all know I got the long tube headers hooker, and this is the full header back exhaust with dual rear exits. I think it exits on I think it's like side exit, but I don't know. But let me unbox it and show y'all what's in there. Yep, well there it is. For you part number gurus, and we go right there. Hold on, where is it? Yeah, 70501 363 RHKR. Well, actually, I'm the 64, the 1364, because this is it's the 3-inch. So we got the X pipe. These are, I guess you can, I don't know, down pipe, whatever. These pipes right here is what comes straight off the headers. So from the headers up here, this end is gonna connect to the X pipe right here. This goes back to the rear end, and you got your over the axle pieces right here. 2 of those. Mufflers. The packaging is actually dope. Mufflers, and then it came with these tips. And I think the way it goes is, like, once this goes over the axle, it's gonna be kind of pointed. And this is the passenger side, but side's kind of pointed outward. So that tip is actually gonna be going, like, I think right behind or right in front. Yeah, it'll be like right in, right behind. I think it'll be like right behind the rear wheel. So I might just leave this off for now, and then I'm gonna end up getting the straight pipe, like the original SS style. So, well, let me lay this out on the driveway, and so y'all can see how the full setup gonna look. It came out pretty good though. I mean, it's, man. All right, let me. I'm gonna lay it out first, and then I'm gonna cut some of this bubble wrap off so y'all can see the quality of this stainless steel. There it is. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, y'all. So like I say, those pipes come off the headers into the X pipe, mufflers, and then you got these over the axle pipes that comes out to the tips. And I'm telling you, what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna probably just stop it right there and just get some turn downs right there. And all this I'll just keep for later. But yeah, man, that looked good. Let me take some of this bubble wrap off so y'all can see, but it came out pretty good, so yeah. I tell you what, if this ain't the nicest nicest muffler I ever seen. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Let me look. I want to see how the X pipe look. Man, this is gonna be a thumbnail, yo. Here go all the hardware. We got all the clamps, the hanger bushings or isolators, whatever you call those, nuts and bolts, and the hangers. Yeah, baby. All right, so why did I go with this exhaust setup? 2 reasons. I had a Mustang some years ago. I took it to an exhaust shop, had them run my duals, had a Flowmaster Super 40s, you know, with I think I had an H pipe, and it was all welded. For one, the welds were piss poor, and for 2, not that I had to unbolt it, but if I ever had to do any work on the car, there was no section of that exhaust that was unboltable. Everything, I mean, it was welded all the way from the cats all the way back. That's the reason I got this. I mean, for one, look at these welds. Pretty welds. And this is a complete bolt-on kit. You can probably weld it on, but complete bolt-on, meaning these pipes bolts to the headers, Then those pipes bolt to the X pipe. The mufflers bolt to the end of the X pipe. Everything is clamp on, bolt on. I can take it off anytime I need to for whatever reason. That's the reason I got it. I'm gonna get ready to install it. I need to go and pick up some more jack stands because the ones I got are the Harbor Freight ones that were on recall. I never did take them back and swap them out. So I'm gonna I need to get 4 jack stands so I can jack the whole car up and I'll put them on stands. I'm gonna use the Harbor Freight ones, so, you know, to hold up the exhaust as I put it up. I'll just keep those and use that for that. So. Car. Here's that pipe, here's this. Let me see if I can do it one hand just so y'all can see. It should just slide right over. Yep. Get it all the way up flush. Oh, that's nice. Just gotta rotate it. Oh, that's a perfect fit. Look at the cross member. Look at that. Let me get it snug though real quick. I got this. Oh, that's on that loose. So let me get it pushed all the way up so where the end of the header should seat up to this. That way we get a really good seal. So let me button that up. Hold on. Okay, it's flush and it's actually sturdy too. So I'm gonna leave it loose real quick, obviously. So I can, you know, have some play. That way I can rotate this part of it to match up with the X pipe. So I'm gonna get on the other side. Get that one on, and then I'm gonna put the X pipe on. All right, I'm on the passenger side now. I think I might need a new transmission mount. I don't like the way that looks. But anyway, let me put this one on. There you go, it's seated all the way. And I'm gonna put these clamps on with the bolt facing down like that. Hold on. That way it'll be easier to tighten it up. So put all the bolts facing down. It's got the self-locking thing up here. So you just need one wrench on that side. I can hit with my impact and I'm just gonna tighten it. I like the instructions. I think I'm gonna put it close to the seam right there. Tighten it up. So see, they come together right there. Now let me see if I can get that X pipe on there. Y'all see the drive shaft? Yeah, custom 3-inch, baby. Wait, 3.5 inch. All right. So here's the X pipe. Yeah, this is the, well, you can put it either way, I guess. So the way I got these on here, this gonna come to the driver's side. See how it's got, they're not even. Got funky little bend. That's for this funky little bend right here. So let me see if I can set the camera like, oh yeah, so. Okay, man, that was kind of tough, but I got it. But I need to jack the car up a little bit higher because I can't get to the hangers in the back. So the front is done. I'm about to lower the front. And then I gotta get the mufflers on there. I'm just gonna loosely tighten it, y'all, just so it can hold up while I get to the back. Go on the other side, get this one. So that don't look half bad. Check it out. Now I just got to get these mufflers on here. And I don't want to scratch them up, so let me Let me put some tape on these mufflers because, you know, they're painted. There's some hangers somewhere up here. I hope I ain't got a drill. It might be these. Let me check it out. Hold on. Let me grab the muffler. All right, so I got the muffler taped up so I don't scratch it up. I'm gonna try to get this lifted up there. And then once I think this end has to get isolator hangers hooked onto those little hanger pipe hooks or whatever. And I got the isolators right here. So let me slide this bad boy. I think it go, yep, it go just like that. All right, let me get back up under there. Okay, now I gotta get these pipes on there. So, whew, boy, your boy is out of shape. Let me get this on. Hold on, y'all. See that right there? Hold on. Hold on. I got you. Right there. Y'all see that? Man, I had to get my hand behind this bar for a 9/16 to hold the other end while I use my impact. So now I just gotta put this this little rubber insulator on there. So I'm about to shoot it with some, hold on. God dang it, man. I'm about to shoot it with some WD-40 so I can slide it on there, and then that way we can get this lifted up in place. Okay, I did put the wrong one on. If you see, look how far away see that gap? Look how this bracket is. This is supposed to be going that way. That's the passenger side one. This is the one that I was supposed to put on. This right here. It's supposed to go like that. And see, it reaches right. See that? It'll reach right there. So, God dang it. Anyway, let me put this out. Pull this out. All right, y'all. I finally got it. So I got that sucker on there. Now I just gotta, get everything lined up before I tighten it. So let me go and knock out the other side since I know how to do it now. I'll take this one off later. I don't feel like fooling with it. All right, yeah, I got the driver's side on. Look at that. Nice. I gotta adjust it. It's not fully on yet. The isolator or whatever you call this, the hanger thingy. So I gotta get that slid all the way on. I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on it because that shit hard as hell. And then on the passenger side, I gotta get that one. Hold on. I gotta get that one on too. But I got all the brackets on. Now I just gotta get the mufflers straightened out, tighten up all the clamps, and it looks like we got a full system, y'all. Took me longer than I thought. Then I took a break. My neighbor, like I said, my neighbor next door, he was cooking some wings in his garage. So I took a little dinner break. But yeah, so anyway, when y'all saw me when I was foam cleaning all this, I mean, all this gonna get painted. I was just trying to get all as much dirt and grease off of it as I could. Sway bar getting replaced, obviously. I'm putting a new diff cover. But when I do the rear brakes, this rear end coming out, and I'm painting all this anyway. So I'm gonna put new control arms on the bottom. The upper are already tubular, so I'm just gonna put new bushings and that. So anyway, I'm gonna shut it down for the night. It's too late for me to start it up. I mean, it's hooked up. I could have started up, but I don't know. It's still gonna be kind of loud, so I don't want to take a chance. My neighbor's complaining. Not the one that cooked the wings. He cool. The lady across the street, I think she be the one. All right, y'all. We day 2 on this exhaust. So all I'm gonna do now is just tighten up all the clamps and let it down. We're gonna fire it up. See what she sound like. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Okay, so let's give it a shot, y'all. Let's see how she sound. Oh, much quieter. You hear that? test drive was a success. I'm just checking my vitals now. All right, y'all. Test drive was a success. The only thing that happened was the brake fluid reservoir, the lid, it came off. Fluid ran down on the frame. It didn't get the headers because it would have smoked. But so I already got a new master cylinder anyway. Wheel wood, but it's this to this, the proportional valve that came with it. So I ain't gonna put it on yet until I do the rear brakes. But I might just go get a new lid from the parts store. But other than that, man, she ran good. Transmission shifted really good. The exhaust sounds awesome. Suspension is whack. That might be the next thing I do. Brakes, suspension, wheels. I mean, she rocking like a dang boat. But anyway, man, Penny LS1, I sure appreciate y'all, like I say, for rocking with me. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, there you go. And I'm just gonna start it up one more again, and then I'm gonna call it a night. Yeah. All right, y'all. Penny LS1. We out.